But what concerns me is the way that our universities are structured right now. Going to school, hey kids, don't use, we've all seen those viral videos of the professor going nuts because everyone's using ChatGPT. But I'm with you.
Absolutely.
I feel like if you're not using AI, if you're not teaching AI in the classroom, you're basically manufacturing useless people. So
do you know why that guy is afraid of using ChatGPT?
is he the old man on the porch saying, get off my lawn? You tell me.
No, he only knows how to do. He has built that structure for that course for 10 years. He teaches this thing. He knows this thing. He is afraid. It's the same argument as the writers. It's the exact same thing.
Yeah.
He's comfortable with this. If something else disturbs us, then what does he do? He has to change the class. He has to educate himself. How does this damn thing work? Why do I have it? Oh, then I'm useless. My class is useless.
Yeah.
And my class is useless. I am useless.
Well, we're going to see that scale. That's, I'm a big proponent against universal basic income. When I start to think about this, when I heard Andrew Yang speaking to Rogan about it, I was like, okay, I'm starting to see it. The problem is, and I'm getting kind of way off topic here, is having the correct incentive structures in place so that people are making the correct moves ahead. Like, sure, we want to help the dispossessed, the people that aren't able, or maybe they're not able to learn the new technology for whatever reason. They're not able to compete against that 22-year-old Malaysian kid who's just better at writing now because of these tools. But how do we weigh having a good incentive structure to say, hey, you got to learn because this is the new world. You got to learn because if you don't, you're competing on a global workforce. I just wonder how that's going to get implemented.
So, Mark, let me ask you. Before AI, was everybody Einstein?
Oh, certainly not. Certainly not.
No. So guess what? Before calculators, were everybody math whiz? No. So we're going to have jobs that have to do with other things, and there are going to be people who would do those jobs, and some people are going to evolve, and they're going to learn, and they're going to be, it's okay. We are being clickbaited on the TV, because it sells. If we embrace it and we figure out what to do and how, if you use the AI in your business, you're significantly better off. It's actually better for consumers when you do, for example, it's better.
For sure.
I can solve your problem on a customer service call before you even know you have a problem.
Yeah, I recorded a YouTube video, I don't know, a few months ago. I said, in 5 years, you're going to be begging to speak to a robot. You'd be like, no humans, please. Just give me the AI. It knows me. It knows my history. It knows my problem. It knows what I bought, the date. And it's just going to be so much easier.
And not only it knows what you bought or what you did, it has seen 10,000 issues exactly like you in the environment that you are, and it has solved that problem, as opposed to some guy who has no idea what he's doing.
100%.
Thanks for watching Mark Spont Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Spont Media. Peace.